All right, Patrick, we're doing an electricity lesson today that you probably won't learn in school. And this video is only for entertainment purposes. So we're gonna swap this GFCI outlet with this fancy one with these USB ports so that we can charge stuff while we're at our kitchen island. So hang on to this, right? You're gonna read it, right?
Yeah.
Let me know what's on there. Should say about 120.
123.
123.
123.
Okay, so this outlet is hot, right?
Yeah.
So that's all we need to know. You can stand back a little bit. There should be 3 wires in here. There should be a black one, a white one, and maybe a copper color one that should go to a green screw, and that will be ground. White is neutral, black is hot. Patrick, is this AC current or DC?
I said VAC.
AC, voltage AC, right? So this pops out. Remember, stand back. So look, here we go. So there's 2 black wires over here. They did a good job taping this up though. All right, we might not do this hot. We're gonna take a look at it. Man, this is not easy.
Yeah.
Do you see the 122?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna flip some breakers. Let me know if that turns off, because we want it to be 0 or close to it. Okay?
It's not turning to 0.
Answer your phone. What about now?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
There we go.
No, you got it. Sounds
Is this?
like-
Oh, it's still recording.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Patrick and I decided that we weren't gonna hot swap this outlet anymore for a couple of reasons, but because the wiring here is kind of weird. It went into the island in our kitchen is also related to the hood
Yeah.
fan, and also because this guy really cranked these wires in here.
Yeah.
This is just going to be a lot safer to do by doing it the right way. So nothing on our circuit breaker is labeled, which is nice because it's not nice. But we were able to figure out what circuit's on by trying out a couple breakers and seeing if anything's on them. The outlet, we may still use this outlet up on the counter
Yep.
for something, because this is a newer style. Then remember, Patrick, when you're doing this, you don't want to touch any metal. So even on the screwdriver, you don't want to touch the shaft of this while it's touching that.
What is the shaft?
This is the shaft, just like a hockey stick.
You just touched it.
Not while I was touching this, right? So, okay?
Yeah.
Because,
you could get electrocuted. Or
yeah,
something.
so we know that the outlet is off, but that doesn't mean that there's 0 volts in it, right? Remember when the meter went down to 0,
Yeah.
there was still a little bit of numbers on it, right? Yeah.
What if it was just 0, 0, 0, 0?
Then you could probably touch it and you'll be fine. Dude, this guy must have been a gorilla. These screws are really on there. I can't believe he didn't break this when he was putting it in. Look at that, I can't even get it out. It goes to silver, black goes to copper, right?
Yep.
All right. Patrick, I have some electric tape on my workbench. Can you get it downstairs?
How is there such thing as electric tape?
I'll get it.
Yeah.
Now I'll show you something. In the old days, back before there was an electrical code, sometimes these boxes weren't plastic, they were actually metal. And you could get shocked just by pushing this back in, because if it went in and it actually touched the box, the person might not get shocked, but you would still create a short circuit. So you can, that's why the guy before me had taken electric tape and just go around it just to make sure that it's good. It's nice that these boxes are plastic because you can't get shocked, but then it's like, man, they break so easily. Patrick, now,
Hi.
all we should have to do
Is do that.
hold on, is that the cover that came with us?
Yes.
So dude, all our friends are gonna wanna come over now and charge their electronics on our fancy new outlet.
Why? Because
That-
it will do it so fast.
Our fancy new outlet that we installed the right way by turning the power off. Dude, I think there's a different cover around here somewhere. Plug this into your phone. Now, I'm gonna go flip the breaker and we'll see if your phone starts charging. All right,
Yeah.
make that.
Oh, it worked.
We hope you enjoyed our for entertainment only purposes video, Patrick.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.
Can I have it?